2020 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control. Get a fast and easy price quote today